Welcome. If you use Telegram and want to keep your birthday private, this quick guide will show you exactly how to hide it from everyone. Step-by-step privacy matters, and sometimes you just don't want to share personal details with everyone on your contact list. So let's get right into it. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture if you've updated it. Tap on that to open the main menu. Now, in this menu, you'll see several options, but what we're looking for is Settings. Tap on Settings, and once you're inside, scroll a little until you find Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all your options for managing who can see your personal information. In the Privacy and Security section, find the option labeled Birthday. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for who can view your birthday: everybody, my contacts, and nobody. Since the goal here is to completely hide your birthday, go ahead and select Nobody. Once you choose it, Telegram will automatically save this preference, and no one will be able to see your birthday on your profile anymore. That's all it takes, just a few quick taps, and your birthday stays private. This update works on the latest version of Telegram, so you can follow these exact steps whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. Remember, managing your privacy online is something worth doing regularly. Apps often update their settings, so it's a good idea to check these options from time to time and make sure everything is set the way you want. With your birthday now hidden, you've taken another step toward keeping your personal information secure. Thanks for watching.